Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find k value. Solution: k plus 7 whole power 2 equal to 64. Here we are going to apply this algebra formula that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here k square plus 7 square plus 2 times a is k 7 equal to this 64. Now k square plus this 7 square is 49 plus 2 times 7 is 14k equal to 64. Now k square plus 14k plus 49 minus, we are moving this left hand side 64, so minus 64 equal to 0. So here k square plus 14k, here negative 15 equal to 0. Now k square, this 14k can be written as 15k minus 1k is k, here it is minus 15 equal to 0. Now here we are going to take k common out from this, so k open bracket k plus 15. Here we are going to take minus 1 common out, so minus 1 k plus 15 equal to 0. Here we are going to take k plus 15 common out, so k plus 15. Here we have remaining k minus 1 equal to 0. Here we have two equations. One is k plus 15 equal to 0, k minus 1 equal to 0. Here k plus 15 equal to 0, k minus 1 equal to 0. From this k equal to, moving this right hand side, so negative 15. From here k equal to 1. These are the possible answer in first method. Now we are going to try this in another method, that method 2. Here the equation is k plus 7 whole square equal to 64. Now from this method, k plus 7 whole square, moving this left hand side, so minus 64 equal to 0. From here k plus 7 whole square, this 64 can be written as 8 square equal to 0. Now here we are going to apply this algebra formula here. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This is considered a, this is b. So here k plus 7 plus 8, k plus 7 minus 8 equal to 0. Here we have two equations. One is k plus 7 plus 8 equal to 0. Other one is k plus 7 minus 8 equal to 0. From this equation, k plus 7 plus 8 is 15 equal to 0. From here, k is negative 1 equal to 0. Now k equal to negative 15. Here k equal to 1. Here also we found the same answer in second method. Now we are going to try this in other method, that method 3. Here the equation is k plus 7 whole square equal to 64. Here in this method, k plus 7 whole square equal to 64. Here we are going to take a square root on both sides. So k plus 7 whole square root equal to, here plus or minus, square root of 64. Now here this square and square root cancel each other. Here we have k plus 7 equal to plus or minus square root of 64. Now k plus 7 equal to plus or minus square root of 64 is 8. Now here we have two equations. One is k plus 7 equal to plus 8, comma k plus 7 equal to negative 8. Here k equal to 8, moving this right hand side, minus 7. Here k equal to 1. This side k equal to negative 8, moving this 7 right hand side, so minus 7. K equal to minus 8 minus 7 is minus 15. So we found the answer, same answer in third method. Now we are going to verify this two answers with the equation that verify that k plus 7 whole square equal to 64. Here applying k here, k equal to 1. So 1 plus 7 whole square equal to 64. Here 1 plus 7 is 8 square equal to 64. Here 64 equal to 64. So LHS equal to RHS. Now here we are going to apply this k value. K equal to minus 15. So here k plus 7 whole square equal to 64. Here minus 15 plus 7 whole square equal to 64. Here minus 15 plus 7 is minus 8 whole square equal to 64. Here minus 8 square is 64 equal to 64. So LHS equal to RHS. Here also we have verified.